What's up guys, it's your boy Shomesh and today we are back with another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be talking about a mouse. Not an ordinary mouse. This mouse is called the Pebble mouse, also known as the Logitech M350. This Logitech Pebble M350 is a modern, slim and beautiful looking mouse. It comes in various colors. It comes in a pink, it comes in black, it comes in eucalyptus green, it comes in a pastel blue, they call it blue gray, and it also comes in the evergreen white. This Logitech Pebble M350 is very modern in the design that is created, and it's also very slim. You can just toss it in your bag wherever you want to bring it. This mouse clicks and scrolls in silence. You can use it when you're working in a cafe, a library, or even a crowded train without disturbing anyone around you. You'll get the same feel of click when you're clicking it, but there'll be about 90% as a noise. Even when you're scrolling through the rubber scroller, there will not be any sound or loud noise. This mouse is designed to be extra slim. It fits perfectly on your palm and it just sits right on top of it with its soft rounded sides that are very comfortable to use. Logitech promises that the battery will last about 18 months, meaning you do not have to worry about losing its power for a quite long time. Logitech Pebble M350 automatically goes into a battery saving sleep mode when you're not using it. In terms of the connectivity, you can connect it the way you like. You can connect this Logitech Pebble M350 via Bluetooth or via the 2.4 GHz USB receiver that is stored inside the magnetic cover of the mouse. That means you can simultaneously connect Logitech Pebble M350 to two different devices, one through the USB receiver and one more through Bluetooth. And talking about Bluetooth, this has to be the best part of this mouse, meaning you can connect this Pebble mouse directly on your iPad by just Bluetooth. Alright, enough jabber jabber. I'm going to be showing you the unboxing video next. There you have it, the Logitech Pebble M350. In terms of connecting it, it is very simple. I'm going to be showing you how to connect this mouse via the Bluetooth method, because via the 2.4 GHz Bluetooth receiver method, I think everyone knows how to do that. So what you gotta do is, you gotta turn your mouse and then toggle this switch on, turn it on, push it up, and then as you can see, there's this button over here. So you just press and hold for about 2 seconds until the light starts to flash. And when it starts to flash on your device, I'm using an iPad, you have to go and pair your Logitech Pebble mouse. Press pair, and there you go, you're done. Now you can use this Logitech Pebble mouse on your iPad. And how to do that? Just take your mouse and move around, a cursor will follow up. And that is all. It is that simple. The same method applies if you're using a laptop or a desktop. So there you go. The Logitech Pebble M350 silent mouse has been one of the best mouse that I've ever used, especially for its price point. It is very affordable. And the connectivity and the comfort is just very seamless. I'll make a separate video on how to use Logitech Pebble mouse or any other mouse for an instant, and also a keyboard, particularly for the iPad, and I'll upload it in the near future. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a good day and thank you for watching.